guys, I'm Prerna.
And I'm Mahi. And today we're going to make a brownie butter cake. So it's basically this layer of brownie on the bottom and this really rich buttery cake on top.
Yeah, it's a very British recipe. It's a tea time cake.
Yeah, and we're using a loaf tin for the first time to make this and we're really excited about it.
I'm excited about the butter cake because I think it's going to taste delicious.
I thought it was like this big brownie cup.
I am, but then butter cake too.
So basically it's awesome.
Yeah. And also make sure you subscribe. We have new videos every Monday. And let's get started.
So for the brownies, we will be using dark chocolate and butter, some brown sugar which we've just powdered, some flour, an egg, and all the quantities in the description. So just melt the dark chocolate and the butter, and to that we will be adding the brown sugar and just mix it well. And once that comes together, we will be adding in the egg. And if you're looking for an eggless brownie recipe, we have one and we'll link it in the top right hand corner so you can check it out. And in case you're using that for this, you can use half of that recipe. So just mix in the egg well, and finally we'll be adding in the flour. And once the brownie batter is ready, just pour all of it into a lined 4x8 loaf tin. We've lined it with aluminium foil, as you will see in the next few seconds. Yep, so that's the loaf tin, and the brownies will be baked at 175 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. You can also use baking paper, by the way. So as the brownies are getting baked, we'll move on to the butter cake. So that's butter, some flour, eggs, some sugar, some milk, and again the quantities on the description box. So just soften the butter a little. So just cream it with a whisk. And once it's softened, just add in all the sugar and cream both of them together. Once that's done, we'll be adding in the eggs. So add them one at a time and mix well in between the additions. Once that's done, we'll be adding in the flour and the milk, and we'll be alternating between the two. So add in some flour and then some milk and just form a batter step, gradually. And once the batter is ready, we'll be transferring them onto the brownies. So be very careful when you do this because the brownies are warm and there's a chance that this cake batter might sink to the bottom because it's very heavy. So use very light movements. And this too will be baked at 175 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it, you're done.
So we're done baking it, cooling it, slicing it, all of that. And now we're going to try it. Yeah. Surprisingly, the pictures were so good this time. I hope you guys liked it. I thought it was amazing. And yeah, let's try it. Okay, just a tip, if you actually make this, then just make sure the brownie is completely baked before you pour over the cake batter. Otherwise, there might be a problem, like the layers might separate and it'll sink a bit in the middle. So yeah, and now I'll have a bite.
Yeah, so I really love the brownie. The brownie recipe is amazing. It sort of overpowers the cake. Though individually the cake is also really nice.
Yeah, the brownie is so good. And I said that the first time it came out, and then the piece had broken off and I ate it and it was so good. And I was like,
yeah, the brownie recipe is amazing.
And the cake is nice as well. It was really buttery.
Yeah. Also, I think earlier we couldn't taste the cake. But it's just better now, like once it has cooled down, you can taste.
Yeah, you can taste it now.
You can taste the cake, yeah.
When it was hot, the brownie was just
overpowering.
Yeah, you can taste it now.
Yeah. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And if you want to keep updated with whatever we're making, you can follow us on our social media. All the links are given in the description box below.
Bye
and see you next time. It's cool, man. I don't care about phones ringing. It happens all the time in everyone's videos.